Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Arabic alphabet pronunciations. The letters are 28 or 29. Why? So the Y is because we have Alif and Hamza. When they are read together, we have 28, and if they are read separate, then we have 29.
Inshallah.
Okay. So they are divided into 3 categories. We have mouth lips, which are 4, the tongue, which are 18, and then we have the throat, which are 6. So for the mouth lips, we have Ba,
Ba. Say it together.
Ba,
Ba. Fa.
Fa,
Fa.
Mim,
Mim.
and Wow.
Wow.
Okay. For the tongue, we have, this is
Za.
Za,
Za. Qaf.
Kaf,
Kaf.
Kaf,
Lam.
Lam,
Noon.
Noon,
Ya.
Ya, Sa,
Sin.
Sin,
Sin.
Shin,
Shin.
Sad,
Sad.
Gad,
Dad.
this one,
A.
Ab, Ta,
Ta.
Ta,
Tha.
Cha, this is
Jim.
Jin, Dal,
Dal.
Zed,
Dal. Ra.
Ra,
And
Zain.
Zain. MashaAllah. Zain.
Okay, for the throat, we
Okay.
have
Throat. How many we have?
6.
6 letters in the throat. Okay. And
So
then
this is
yes. Kha.
Ha,
Ghain.
Rain,
Ha.
Ha,
Ain.
Ain, Ha,
Ha. That's
and Hamza.
Hamza.
Okay, so let's read. Alif,
Alif.
Hamza,
Alif. Hamza.
Ba,
Ba.
Ta,
Ta.
Cha,
Tha.
this is
Jim.
Jim,
Ha.
Ha,
Kha.
Ka, Da,
Dal. Dal.
Lal,
Ra.
Ra, Zay,
Zay.
Sa,
Sin.
Sin,
Shin. Sad.
Sa, Da,
Dad. A.
A,
A. Za.
Za,
Ain.
Ain,
Ghain. Fa.
Fa,
Qaf.
Qaf, Ka,
Kaf.
Lam, Mim,
Mim.
Nun,
Nun.
Ha,
Ha.
Waw,
Wow.
Ya,
Yeah.
and Hamza.
Hamza. MashaAllah.